Hello and welcome to Sonora Mind, where we explore ways to improve your reality through self-awareness and mind power. We're excited to be sharing this guided meditation with you today. We're confident you'll find value in this content, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit, where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Focus on your breathing, and feel your body relaxing with each inhale and exhale. Imagine a bright, white light surrounding you, filling you with positive energy. As you continue to breathe, imagine yourself growing taller and more confident with each inhale. Repeat the following affirmations to yourself, slowly and deliberately. I am worthy of love and respect. I am capable and confident. I am deserving of success and happiness. I trust in my abilities and my instincts. Feel the positive energy of these affirmations filling you, and let any negative thoughts drift away. Visualize yourself in a situation where you feel confident and in control, and experience the emotions that come with it. Take a deep breath and hold the feeling of confidence and self-assuredness in your heart. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment, feeling refreshed and invigorated. You can repeat the affirmations that resonate most with you, or even create your own. The key is to focus on positive thoughts and feelings, and let go of negative ones. Practice this meditation regularly, and you will soon start to notice an improvement in your self-confidence and positive outlook on life. That's all for today's meditation. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest content. Until next time, take care and have a great day.